Those are pretty blunt words, unacceptable and shameful, the way you conduct yourself, Congressman, as a member of Congress. I want you to respond to what he said.
Well, you know, I have to keep doing my job even if the Attorney General objects. Thomas Perez told us that there were no documents offline. In other words, no private emails. It went from 0 to 1 to 2 to 34 and now 35 responsive emails in which he emailed privately, including one that was a private email to another private email at HUD. These are violations of the Federal Records Act. But more importantly, there were 1,200 emails that we simply want to look at. And this is my ranking member and myself. We don't want copies of them. We want to be able to review them to make sure we're satisfied that there are no additional documents. And in the case of the documents we're talking about, they're redacting. These are 35 emails in violation of the law that Thomas Perez had communications offline. We know that one of them is to the White House. One of them is to a HUD individual related to a quid pro quo that he conducted secretly in St. Paul, Minnesota. This investigation is into the wrongdoing, as we view it, at least not illegal, but wrongdoing by the proposed secretary. Well, he was supposed to be heading up justice in the Civil Rights Division, and areas in which he gave false testimony as to what he did or didn't do. It's a cover-up. We played a tape of his actually instructing somebody in the Attorney General's office in Minnesota not to speak about things. So these kinds of facts, and we produced a fairly lengthy report that's on our website as to Thomas Perez and his actions, these were very appropriate questions. I know the Attorney General would like to have answered for 5 minutes and my time would have been done. All I was trying to do was ask him questions to hope that he would release information that a very, very strong Democrat and I have both asked for.